We are the group 2.
Today we're gonna discuss about identifying criteria and purchasing product materials. We have some introduction here. Does anyone know what criteria is? Any idea? Criteria in your own words. Okay? Abot.
Wala naman. Wala naman.
Anyone have other ideas? Ito yung mga basehan. Any more? Okay. So basically, yung criteria is like yung guide nyo in taking the products or project. Like sa mga ibang subject, like yung mga yung mga activities natin or yung mga performance outing natin, may mga criteria sila for you to able to get a perfect score. And does anyone here knows what inventory is? Idea? More idea? More idea? Wala na?
How much stock do you have of a certain item?
So basically, like what Jared said, it's the stuff or project that you have in hand that you're gonna look or innovate more or you want for the product to be able to sell faster and you're gonna have more profit. Okay, so services. Says. Yeah, it's like what they offer. Offer? Oh, yeah.
Paano yung
Ano?
paano yung ine-entertain?
Total. Activities or tasks that are performed for some time. Okay, more precise. Trabaho or tulong na ginagawa ng sarili. So basically, services is the services or the things that a company or a business do for other people to get paid. Okay, our next reporter is Kiri. Good morning, everyone. Are you ready to listen?
Yes, we are ready.
Ano yung naiisip nyo when you heard sourcing? May idea ba kayo? Sige, Adrian. Sige, Rima.
Process.
Process. Other hand. Message.
Preparation.
So, anyone want to read the meaning of the source? Yes, sir. So, like what the passage say, yung sourcing, yun yung kung saan yung source ng pag-payment mo, ng company mo, diba? So, yung services naman, ano yung naiisip nyo? Like, yung tanong ni Abia kanina, ano yung naiisip nyo kapag narinig mo yung services? Sige, Kelly.
Tay, kung paano mo sinuserve yung mga customer mo?
Sige, ako si Abia. Sige, tulungan mo siya, Nigel.
are services that are done by one person or business for another person.
So yung services, guys, ito yung mga hindi mo nahahawakan, pero ito yung mga sinaserve sa'yo. Binabayaran mo sila, or yung company mo, para magbayad sila ng tao, or yung mga tauhan mo, or yung mismong company mo yung magsiserve. Yes, di ba? Yes! So, basically, hindi siya nahahawakan. That's the keyword. Hindi nahahawakan yung services, pero ginagawa siya. Okay? Any other questions? Our next reporter is Arthur.
Are you ready to listen, classmates?
Yes, we are ready.
Today, I will words to study. Stockpile. Anyone know about stockpile? Lolo.
Dito po pasok kung ilan po yung mga nagiging mga pwede sa mga essential.
Nice one. Sino ba? Princess Rivera.
Mag-iipon or mag-iipon ng mga gamit just in case na baka kailangan.
Okay. Abia Calderon.
Mga materials or essentials na baka need mo in the future.
Okay. Sino ang gusto magbasa nito? Si Raymond. Stockpile, comparative village. Edit down.
Stockpile. The comparatively large stock of essential goods or materials that you may need in the future.
Nice one. And we will go to the next one. Inventory. Hey, wait, I will say something. Do you understand about stockpile? Yes! Let's go to inventory now. Anyone know about inventory? Wait. Materials or product? Nice one. Apple.
Okay, stop.
Nice one ulit. Sasayin ka. Nice one. Sino gusto magbasa ng inventory? Si Boyet.
Inventory, all the good material or products that a business had on hand to sell or produce.
Nice one. Yun lang ang aking report. Meron ba kayong mga tanong? Wala po! Naiintindihan niyo ba ang aking report? Wala po! Ang next na magre-report ay si Queenie. Thank you.
So, the discussion today is purchasing of goods and services from local sources. Buying local goods and services has many advantages. Can anyone read the first tip?
It encourages people to support Filipino products instead of relying on imported ones.
This basically means, i-encourage natin yung mga tao na bumili sa local brands and huwag bumili sa imported. So, next, sino gusto mo
We can develop the skill, creativity, and productivity of Filipino workers.
So this basically means na parang ini-improve natin yung mga creativity and skills ng Filipino to handle the work. Okay. Next. Si Angela.
It provides affordable, fresh and quality products, especially seasonal fruits and vegetables.
Basically means na mas affordable siya kung bibili tayo sa local brand or at saka mas fresh and good yung product. Next reporter is Miguel and Jasper. That's all.
I'm going to report before buying goods or service. Entrepreneurship. Sino pwede magbasa ng word? Dindo. Paper. Ensure that products are sustainable and good condition. Yan parang kung paano mo pinapanatili or sinusustain yung product mo sa maayos na paraan. Sa pangalawa, sino pwede magbasa? Okay. Yan yung parang yung supply mo sa product na kung paano mo papanatilihin at ayusin.
Sino gusto mo?
Find the best way to buy a product or the best service. Make sure that it worth your money and you're satisfied.
So, kailangan mo na compare yung mga different products, services, at prices ng mga ibang providers. Para ma-make sure mo na makuha mo yung best value ng money mo at mag-make smart business decisions.